Okay, today we will be playing Zoo or Oof. What? And this is what's under the pig head. Yeah, it's not much. We are only going to be playing 2 rounds today because I don't have that much time, as I have to go to school and I did not prepare because I can't export my VR video that I was going to post. Chimpanzee, oh my god, don't actually say that. Animals, yay! Oh my god, it's a sugar daddy, a flying squirrel. Yes, a flying daddy is all, what? No, a sugar, what? Oh no, a flying squirrel is also known as a sugar daddy. Well, that's what people in my class call it sometimes. Oh, I'm an ostrich, come on. I fly like a pie. I also have to at least win one of the 2 rounds, or else it doesn't count. But that will be too easy. Oh, the ostrich is not here. I'm not here. She didn't see me. That's because I stick my butt in the air because I am the ostrich that lives in your walls. Wait, what? I am the ostrich that lives in your walls. No, I'm the hater that lives in your walls. Whatever. I like snowboard. Snow. I hate snow actually, but this is snowboard, so and I might be going to Snow Valley next week. Which is true. I am going to Snow Valley next week. And next week, hopefully, I'll have a knockout video out. Or perhaps the Infamy Part 3 will be out next week. It's either one of those 2. Ice hockey. Shine bright like a puck. What am I saying? I'm just an ostrich. Thank you very much. Wait, this is somebody's house? I thought you were a rock. You're an animal? I can hide inside of the animal. No, I'm hiding inside of you. Oh, shoot. Oh, it's Deanna of the Jungle Woods. I need to run away from Deanna. This is Deanna runaway game. No, this is Zoo or Oof. This is Zoo or Oof and Zoo or Oof. What the heck? Oh no, it's Flamingo! Flamingo! I know that's not Flamingo. Flamingo Gordo. I was supposed to. Hey. Hey, look at me, I'm a snowboard. And take the L. Da-da-da. Yeah, she's going after me now. Hey, woman. Oh, shoot. Take the L. You lose, I win. I barely won. Bro, what the heck was that creature on the ground? Dang. Ah! I have a crown. I'm the king. This is cringe. Bro, why is Naruto in the server? Bro, what is this brain rot skins? What the? Okay, I predicted a brain rot movie. The Italian brain rot movie will come out on July 18th of this year. And the first teaser trailer will come out March 13th. Come on. I'm a giraffe. I am Jerome the giraffe. This is great. Guys, I'm Jerome the giraffe. And this is amazing. I have to be the most easy to spot animal in the entire game. That is truly amazing. I'm not putting my head in the house. That's not me. No. Oopsie. Run! Run. I gotta run away. I'm not here. Nope, not here. Not here. Not here. Ah! Run, run, run. How am I alive? That's my question. I'm surprised I've survived so long. Bro, look at me. I'm a giant giraffe. A Jerome the giraffe. Oh, that's a spider. I am Jerome the giraffe. Giraffe to Jerome to giraffe. What the heck did I just say? Appa. Bro, this looks... Oh, I got a few tranquil darts in my tranquil. What? I'm not in fact sticking my head in here. I am chimpanzee Spider-Man. Nope. Later. How am I alive? Oh shoot. What? Right in the butt! Ow! That must have hurt a lot. Great! I have to play another round. With Naruto. That's not how you're supposed to say it. But bro, what is this brain rot skins? What is this? Tongue horse. Garuda bananini. Wah wah. Trololero fishala. What? No, I'm gonna kill him. I'm not gonna say that. I wanna be a meerkat. Yes, I want to be a meerkat. I want to be a meerkat. I like being a meerkat. I've been one once and it was fun, so. What map should we play, guys? I don't know. And I won't have enough time to vote. Oh, I did. Playground, I guess. And I'm a meerkat. Yep. It's a big mama kangaroo. Wait, how did I get shot already? Ow. Big mama kangaroo. Wait, is it another meerkat? Oh, my meerkat brother. I think that's sister, but whatever. Mama, my milky. Wee. Okay, being a kangaroo looks fun. This is just an overall very fun round for me. Wee. Oh shoot. Wee. Wow, what a nub. I got in. I jumped inside of it. Where am I? I don't know, maybe I'm inside of the ginormous crate. Yeah, I'm bored. Time to troll a noob. Well, I'm gonna kill you, lady. Do you not see a target you can go after? Hello. Why is she not going after me? Get noob. Get noob for free. Suicide bonus? What? Oh, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video.